snow day this morning in December 15th, 2015. Navigate through the snow. Looks like they might have plowed up here on 56th. Boy, it still spins around. May I take this thing out of, it says to take it out of the locked differential if you're going to rely on the thing. Oh, wait a minute, I don't know, maybe it's the other way around. Maybe it says VSC off, so maybe it's when you unlock, when you push it the other way, I guess. I don't know, this thing is kind of confusing. It beeps at me when I go into low gear. I'm going to have to learn the way to shift it properly. You're supposed to do it when it's off or when you're in a, like when the gear's in neutral, but then it just ends up beeping at me. The low four-wheel drive, that is. Make myself more clear. Well, I'm in low granny gear too, going through the snow, so when I get on the freeway I'll probably shift to third. So right now I'm in the low gear. Yep, there's the cluster coming up here. Usual deck. Shit, it looks like they're stopped up all the way across the intersection almost. Or maybe not, that's just a stoplight. Just start to slow down because there's no traction at all whatsoever. Except for the deepness of the snow has created a little extra traction, but kind of helps. Here we go to work.